A whole home plumbing evaluation checks every part of your water system, including pipes, drains, water heater, fixtures, and the main water line, to catch leaks, corrosion, or pressure problems before they turn into costly repairs. Think of your home's plumbing like the veins in your body, carrying water in and waste out through a huge network of pipes you never see. A good inspector starts by checking your water pressure, since pressure that's too high can quietly wear out pipes and appliances over time. They'll also run a camera through your main sewer line, which is something a lot of homeowners don't even know is possible, and it can reveal tree roots or cracks hiding underground. Your water heater gets checked too, including the tank, the pressure relief valve, and how old it actually is, since most water heaters only last around 10 to 15 years. They'll test every faucet and toilet for slow leaks, which can waste thousands of gallons a year without you noticing a single drop on the floor. Finally, they'll look at the material your pipes are made from, because older homes sometimes still have galvanized steel or even lead pipes that really need replaces. One big mistake people make is assuming that if nothing looks wet, nothing is wrong. But most leaks happen inside walls or underground where you'd never see them, so ask for a moisture or pressure test specifically. Another common issue is ignoring slow drains because they seem like a minor annoyance, but that slow drip today can mean a full blockage or burst pipe tomorrow, so get it checked the moment you notice it. People also forget that plumbing evaluation should happen every 2 years or so, not just when something breaks. And staying ahead of problems always costs less than fixing a flood after the fact. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.